Hey, Joe here with Florida Conceal Carry, and I'm going to let you know about an exciting class we have coming up. It's our Situational Awareness class. It's going to be on February 22nd. That's a Saturday. It starts at 9 a.m., runs till roughly 1 o'clock or so. There's no timer really on it. Now, with this class, yes, it does qualify you for your Florida Concealed Weapons license. You will be learning safety. We go over that with every class, no matter what it is. We're going to go over the real fundamentals for defensive shooting. This is what you're going to need to know and be able to do, be proficient at, to protect yourself. We're also going to be going over laws. Then we go into the situational part. We have scenarios that we're going to put you through. Some of them with a group, some of them by yourself. You're going to go into that. Now, it changes every time. Every scenario is different. If you have something special you want to talk about, you bring it up in the class, we'll run you through these scenarios. Now, what's the plus with this? There's a huge plus. I'm not going to sit there and bash other classes out there, but this class is taught by true professionals. These are people that do this for a living. Law enforcement, police trainers, everything else like that. This is what we do. This is not one of these hotel classes or, hey, I do this as my full-time job, this is my career, I figure out a way I can make a few dollars on the weekends and teach a class and just certify you. No, this is actually going to be teaching you things on how to defend yourself and putting you through these scenarios. And a lot of these scenarios are actually real things that have happened to real people and that some of us have actually been through. And opens your mind. I mean, look at some of the reviews we've had in the past in the review section here on Facebook, and it's tremendous. You'd be surprised how many people keep coming back to take the class over and over again. If you have your concealed weapons license, sit in on the class, get updated on the laws. Last thing you ever want to do is get jammed up because you didn't use the gun at the right time or you had it where you weren't supposed to or anything like that. We don't sit here and try to upsell you and sell you books and any type of insurance policies or anything like that. No, this is for you to learn. This is where you need to be. If you want to protect yourself, you need to take this class. It's an eye-opener. A lot of people don't realize that. Going to the range and practicing is good. You have to go do that. But, just standing there in that little cubicle again that they give you there and you're just punching your gun out, shooting at a stationary object while you're stationary and you got your proper stance, your grip, everything's perfect. Guess what? In real life, that is not going to happen. So, this is the class for you. Again, it's going to be on February 22nd. It starts at 9 a.m. and goes on to about 1 o'clock. I'll put the link below somewhere you can sign up for that class. Give us a call, 941-822-0707. Tell me when to get in that class. They'll sign you up for it. And if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. Send me a PM. Give us a call. Do whatever. We'll answer them for you. I guarantee you're going to love this class. Folks, I think that's it for now. Not going to waste any more people's time. Have a great day. We also do regular concealed weapons classes too, which are not, again, your typical class. You're getting trained by true professionals that do this for a living, active, retired law enforcement trainers. This is what we do. Folks, I'll talk to you soon.